Hi guys, Cars by the Window, also known as ABM. Welcome back to another review video. Special one in front of us today. I just got these eight items from my friend Roxanne and her friend. They're actually remote control cars. However, I'm keeping them in their original packaging so the value can go up. And I don't know how to put these cars together. I know, but so that's why I keep it on in our packaging. Hey, so the value will be able to go up. Let's take a look at them. So here are these. Right, they're actually the body part, of these cars. Here, and these things, yeah, they're controllers. So with all the wiring, but there's actual tools in here, and these things, yep. They're tires. Fish tires. Them. And yeah, 3 more bodies, 3 more stock cars. So yeah, they're mostly race cars. And for remote control use. And which, of course, these are incomplete. And they'll never be completed. Because I don't know how to put them together. So that's why I'm only going to be doing this review video with the items stay in our packaging. Alright, guys, that's it for this one, and I will put them back in that bag, where they belong. But I'll continue to have them, and for the time being. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. Turn on shipments coming up next. So, see you all in the next one, guys. Peace.